Yes, it's correct. Oh my God, I have. Oh, good day everyone. Masaya po tayo ngayon. We are so glad kasi yung inaasam nating makarating ay nandito na. So, we just bought on Thursday night and it arrived yesterday Friday and we went to the post office in order to get this one. Taran! So I'll be unboxing my new phone. It's my birthday to myself. Birthday gift to myself. No? So it's my gift to myself. A new phone which is Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So, samahan niyo ako for the unboxing. This is it. This is it. Fresh from the post office. Fresh from the post office. Oh my God. Okay. Fresh from the post office. Oh my God. I hope the item is correct. Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yes, it's correct. Oh my God. I have the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Ladies and gentlemen, a gift to myself for my 42nd birthday. Note 10 Plus. Okay, so that's the receipt. Actually, there is supposedly this is 1,365, but they're less with a code or a promotion. So let's have the unboxing. Okay. So ito na. Paano ba attach? Oh my God. Ganito ba attach? Oh, this is it. Kaping mainit. Are you excited? I am excited as well. I am very excited. Oh. How to open? It says Note 10. That's the correct item. I was really like, paano ba ito? Abracadabra. Oh. Ay, gage. Nakasealed pa pala ito. That's why it's sealed. Samsung sealed. It's sealed with a kiss by Samsung. No. Ay, pwede naman ito ganituhin. Diba? Ayan na. Abracadabra. The unboxing of my new Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, ladies and gentlemen. Kayo talaga ang unang dyan. Diba? Okay. Oh my God, I like the color. Look at the color that I like. It's Aura Glow. That's the color of my Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, the Aura Glow. And this is, okay, So we'll remove that one after I'll show you some. So of course, yan ay nagkakahalaga rin ng ilang dollars. I don't know. That's okay. See us first. Okay. Meron din siyang ganito. Fast charging. Fast charging. Fast charging. As fast as as fast as who? Okay. And ito na yun. What else? What else? Of course, the charger that is to be connected in here. In here. Okay. And actually they're almost the same with the thing with yeah, almost the same lang talaga yung ano. Yan. Headset. At saka, okay, meron pa ring mga ganyan, no? The same thing, merong mga so that could be used for, you know, the memory devices or some kind. So this time, ladies and gentlemen, ito na yun. So, ganito pala yun. Okay. So, this is it. Look at the glow. Look at the glow. Okay. Ito na. Yan. Diba? Okay. May sa harap pa ba? Okay. So, how to turn it up? I turn it on. Long press. Oh, ayun na. Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Okay, ayun na. Let's go. Let us go. So I have to click, I think. English Australia. Check some info to get started. End user license agreement, privacy policy. Check out some of the info. I have read and agreed all of the above. Okay. Let's check that one. And let's go next. How do you want to be connected? Bring your old data for quicker setup. Skip for now. Bring your settings, contact apps, and photos, music, more than from your previous device. Okay. Can I? Only available Samsung and Galaxy devices. Wireless. Can I? Maybe can connect. Ano na lang. Go back. Skip. And next. For the phone to be set up, meron pa pala. So then John, okay, yung K to be used for the thing. So I have to continue. it's amazing because all those data and apps that I have downloaded on my old Samsung 8 Plus phone are already transferred in here. So it's amazing. So in just one click, it's just one like that. Okay, all your datas and apps that I have are already in here. You see? So it's all in here. So where is my... here and the other one. So I thought there is no fray casing, but this is it. I like it. So there is a free, okay, transparent casing. No, that's very nice. And the quick start guide, the warranty card. The warranty of this is 2 years. How to transfer content to your new phone. Okay, this is. I will study this one more. Okay, on later today. So that's all. I'm so glad. All Diba, ganon lang live. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching my unboxing. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching the unboxing of my new Samsung Note 10 Plus. Thank you. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please click the subscribe and click the notification bell para manonotify ka when I have a new uploads. Good day.